In this video, we are going to let you know that how long does pain after wisdom tooth extraction last. Before starting, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon for latest videos and updates. Let's start quickly. There are three things that will determine the amount of pain. The amount of damage to the tissues that was required to get the tooth out. The amount of infection that was present. If you leave an infection to progress to the point where all the tissues are swollen, there is pus everywhere and the bone is brittle and eaten away, then you are going to have more pain and more difficulty with healing than you would if the tissues were healthier. The patient, some people's tissues are just more sensitive than the next person. Some people have a higher pain threshold than the others. Pain after wisdom tooth extraction may last from 48 to 72 hours. Pain after 3 days could indicate other problems. Recovery from wisdom tooth removal usually takes a couple of weeks. Some people might need stitches to help close the wound. The dental surgeon will usually remove the stitches after about 1 week. Sometimes the surgery causes bruising, swelling and pain, which will also require time to heal. Recovery from wisdom tooth surgery will be gradual, but you should see some improvement every day. The healing process can be broken down into these stages. First 24 hours, blood clots will form. 2 to 3 days, swelling of the mouth and cheeks should improve. 7 days, a dentist can remove any stitches that remain. 7 to 10 days, jaw stiffness and soreness should go away. 2 weeks, any mild bruising on the face should heal. Recovery time will be different for everyone. If blood clots become dislodged from the wound or the wound becomes infected, recovery may take longer. Blood clots will form in the place where the tooth was removed. Blood clots are an essential part of the healing process because they help prevent too much bleeding, protect the wound from infection, allow new tissue to grow, and protect the exposed bone. It is particularly important not to dislodge these blood clots in the first 24 hours. People should avoid brushing teeth next to the extraction site, rinsing the mouth, drinking hot drinks, eating food that requires chewing, avoiding sucking on straws, smoking or drinking alcohol for at least 24 hours. It is a good idea to gently rinse the mouth with antiseptic mouth rinse after 24 hours. That's all for now. We love to read your reviews and comments. For more videos and updates, subscribe to Healthy Primix and ring the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.